How many central universities are there in Uttar Pradesh? Answer 6. How many post offices are present in Uttar Pradesh? How many central universities are there in Uttar Pradesh? Answer 6. How many post offices are present in Uttar Pradesh? Answer approximately 1,80,000. What is the nickname of Ghaziabad? Answer Gateway of Uttar Pradesh. Which city is called India's first smart city? Answer Noida. What are the popular folk musics of Uttar Pradesh? Answer Sohar, Kajari, Ghazal, Qawwali, etc. Which place is also known as the birthplace of Lord Rama? Answer Ayodhya. Where is the National Sugar Institute? Answer Kanpur. How many members does the Legislative Assembly of Uttar Pradesh consist of? Answer 404 members. How many members does the Legislative Council of Uttar Pradesh consist of? Answer 100 members. Who is the present Minister of Secondary Education and Higher Education? Answer Dr. Dinesh Sharma. Which Indian state has the highest number of crimes amongst other states in India? Answer Uttar Pradesh. Which is the largest police force in the world? Answer Uttar Pradesh Police. Which is the leading occupation in Uttar Pradesh that plays a vital role in economic development? Answer Agriculture. Where is the headquarters of the North Eastern Railway Zone? Answer Gorakhpur. What is the name of International Cricket Stadium in Uttar Pradesh? Answer Green Park Stadium. 2. Greater Noida Sports Complex Ground. 3. Bharat Ratna Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee Ekna Cricket Stadium. Name of the 6 Central University in Uttar Pradesh. Answer Aligarh Muslim University, University of Allahabad, Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University, Banaras Hindu University, Rajiv Gandhi National Aviation University, Rani Lakshmi Bai Central Agriculture University. How many IITs are in Uttar Pradesh? Answer 2. Number 1 IIT Kanpur, number 2 IIT Varanasi. How many state universities are in Uttar Pradesh? Answer 31. How many deemed universities are in Uttar Pradesh? Answer 8. Where is Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College in Uttar Pradesh? Answer Aligarh. What are the major languages of Uttar Pradesh? Answer Awadhi, Bhojpuri, Braj Bhasha, Bundeli, Hindustani, Kannauji. Which city in Uttar Pradesh is called the City of Ghats? Answer Varanasi. Which major festival is held every 12 years in rotation at Allahabad on the river Ganges? Answer Kumbh Mela. What is the nickname of Uttar Pradesh? Answer Taj Nagari. Which are the top IT cities in Uttar Pradesh? Answer Agra, Lucknow, Prayagraj. How is the weather in Lucknow? Answer hot summers and dry winters. Lucknow gets an average rainfall of 896.2 millimeters. Which month is the hottest month in Lucknow? Answer June. How is the weather in Uttar Pradesh? Answer Uttar Pradesh has a humid subtropical climate. When was the Lucknow Zoo established? Answer 1921. What is the nickname of Lucknow? Answer the city of Nawabs. Who is the governor of Uttar Pradesh? Answer Anandiben Patel. How many municipal corporations are present in Uttar Pradesh? Answer 13. How many municipal boards are present in Uttar Pradesh? Answer 226. How many development blocks are present in Uttar Pradesh? Answer 822. How many Naya Panchayats are present in Uttar Pradesh? Answer 8135. How many urban bodies are present in Uttar Pradesh? Answer 915. How many Gram Sabhas are present in Uttar Pradesh? Answer 59,163. What is the new name of Allahabad? Answer Prayagraj. How many telephone exchanges are present in Uttar Pradesh? Answer 2885. How many populated villages are present in Uttar Pradesh? Answer 97,941. What is the strength of Legislative Assembly of Uttar Pradesh? 404. How many members does Uttar Pradesh Legislative Council have? Answer 100 members. Which are the major crops grown in Uttar Pradesh? Answer arhar, barley, moong, maize, millet, paddy, urad, wheat. Which is the longest national highway that passes through Uttar Pradesh? Answer NH2. What is the length of the longest national highway in Uttar Pradesh? Answers 752 km, Kosi to Mathura. Who was the first Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? Answer Govind Bala Pant. Which is the most populated state in India after Uttar Pradesh? Answer Maharashtra. What is the area of Uttar Pradesh? Answer 2,43,286 km per square. How many divisions are in Uttar Pradesh? Answer 18 divisions. Which river flows near the Taj Mahal? Answer Yamuna River. Thank you friends.